In this lecture, we're going to look at a powerful built-in function called dir. With this function, we can get the list of attributes and methods defined in an object. So in this example, we're importing the sales module. As you learned earlier, now sales is an object, so we can use the dot operator to access all the methods and attributes defined in this object. Now, as you work on large projects, there are times that things don't work as you expect, so you can use the dir function for debugging. Let me show you. So let's print dir of sales. When we run this program, we get an array of strings. In this array, we have all the attributes and methods defined in an object. So as you see in our sales module, we have these two functions, calculate shipping and tax, as well as these magic attributes that are automatically created for us. Let's take a look at a few of these. So I'm going to comment out this line and print sales dot name. That returns the name of our module. We can also get the name of the package, as well as the file name, as well as the address of its file. So let's run this program. So here's the name of our module. As you can see, it's fully qualified with the name of its packages. After that, we have the name of our package. So the sales module is defined in e-commerce.shopping package. And below that, we have the path to this file on file system.